Yep, we're good. All right, so, what I want to do with you guys, maybe you've done this before. Did you guys take health with Mr. Pelkey when you were in elementary school? No? Okay. So, what I'm going to do is put this stuff on your hands, okay? And the only thing this stuff does is it's just baby powder. It's nothing. There's nothing in it. So this will just show up on your hands, okay? So if you guys want to come over by the sink, and I will put a little bit of powder on your hand, and just kind of rub it all over your hands. Yep. So rub it all in. Good. Right between your hands, or your fingers, I mean. Joe, if you want to do the same thing. Same thing, kind of just rub it. Rub it in. All over your hands. Alright, so now I think maybe one at a time. Or if you want to go use the other sink, Asher, go ahead and just wash your hands like you normally would. Okay? So just like you normally would, go ahead and wash your hands. That one doesn't work? That's fine. Then you can just come in line with Joe. We're going to just wait for Joe. Alright, go ahead and dry them off, Joe. Let's see if this black light works. Alright, so come on over here. So, Asher and Joe, if you want to hold your hands out for me just like this. Okay. So, let's take a look. So, you see how there's kind of white showing up? You know what that is? That's the powder, okay? So that means where there's white that's showing up, water never hit it, okay? So flip them. So we'll look again. So you can see like the creases, like here, and especially if you go like this and kind of spread your fingers, especially on the inside, okay? So those are areas that we have to focus on when we wash, okay? So, we'll do it again, okay? This time, I want to show you myself, okay? So I'm going to model for you. So, I know this is simple because we're just washing hands, right? Alright, so, Joe, can you step to the left? Okay, perfect. Yep, okay. So, first, okay, soap. Good. Okay, now, what kind of water do we want to use? Do you want cold water or warm water? Warm, right? Warm water is 10 times better. Okay? So we have the soap in our hands, lather it up, right? Make sure get in between your fingers and your knuckles, stuff like that, okay? We saw a lot on our fingernails too, so it's important to get there, especially now because of COVID, like it's really important to wash your hands. You rinse with water, okay? Get in between. And then dry off. Okay? And again, get in between each one. Okay? So now I want you guys to try again. Alright, and this time, if you follow the steps, your hands are gonna come out a lot cleaner. Okay? So where'd my powder go? If you want to step over by the sink, we'll put powder on again. Go. Yeah, let's go. Rub it in. So, Asher, you remember what our first step was? Yep, turn your water on. And then we use soap, right? Perfect. So get a little bit. Do you need a lot of soap? No. You need just enough to, cover your hands. So lather up. Remember to get those areas. Remember the areas that still had powder on them before. Try to get those areas. Make sure that they're good and clean. You guys know how long you're supposed to wash your hands for?
No.
They say that you're supposed to be able to sing happy birthday to yourself while you do it. So as long as it takes you to sing that song, you're supposed to wash your hands. So probably I'd say 15 or 20 seconds anyway. Yeah. So then you rinse. Go if you want to get in there. Alright, where'd my black clip go? Alright, so let's check Asher's first. Look at that. 10 times better, right? Nothing between your fingers, nothing on your knuckles, fingernails. Flip over. Oh, I got some in my hand. A few little specks here and there, but for the most part, almost perfect. Let's check Joe's. Joe. Same thing, pretty much perfect. Maybe a little bit, see right here? A little bit between your thumbs. But other than that, it looks pretty good. Okay? Alright. Good job. Okay? That's all I need from you guys.